girl Kaylee from ZippNada, a sustainable lifestyle brand, and Happy New Year! Oh my goodness, it is 2022, I cannot believe it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Kaylee, and I talk about sustainability in rural locations, also traveling, my experiences, and I just love to spread the knowledge and talk about a wide variety of topics under that umbrella. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So for 2022, I thought I would start off this year by recapping last year. Last year was a bit crazy and I haven't uploaded barely anything, but I had an incredible opportunity to travel across the United States and help someone with an amazing project. I hope I can bring them on the channel and discuss their project. But I had an amazing opportunity to do that, as well as spread zero waste and some of the products and things that I do. So I was very busy traveling. We were in a box truck most of the time traveling, so it was very noisy. And it was on a very tight schedule, so it wasn't a lot of time to film. I'm kicking myself because of the content opportunity that I could have done, but I didn't, and then I ended up taking the rest of the time to just kind of focus on myself and work on that kind of stuff. So, but now I'm back and I'm getting back into it. So here's the recap of last year. Enjoy.
Ready to take sail, swept by current, swallowed by a wave. Take heed, they'll say, no, no, no need to get